Today we are cooking chicken wings in barbecue sauce. Something quick, very tasty. All right, just watch the video and tell me what you think. These chicken wings are very delicious. All you have to do is just, as usual, go to the supermarket, buy some chicken wings. I got here 12. I always like to rinse them, maybe like 3 times in water, okay, because sometimes they have like a funky smell. And I'm gonna put a little bit of sea salt and some paprika just to give it a nice color, and lemon pepper as well, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I'm not gonna use a lot of ingredients. Oh, I forgot a little bit of garlic powder as well. Okay, and that will be all the ingredients, and we're gonna combine here everything. You can just wait maybe like 10 minutes if you want all the chicken wings to get all those flavor from all those ingredients. But if you're hungry like me, just put them in the air fryer. As always, I like to have my air fryer preheated for 5 minutes. And do you think it's a good idea to cook a lot of food in the air fryer? Give me a comment. I would like to see what is your opinion. I like to cook this for only 12 minutes. My favorite setting is 400. And I like to cook a lot of stuff in here. I like to cook salmon, chicken legs, a lot of stuff. Okay, I like to cook this for 10 minutes. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is just add any kind of barbecue sauce that you have at home, or you can go to the supermarket, buy some cheap barbecue sauce, or you can make your own. In the future, I would like to upload a video how to make your own barbecue sauce at home. But if you don't have time like me, just use any barbecue sauce. And after you put the sauce, just start combining everything. And we're gonna put everything back in the air fryer for 2 more minutes. This is so easy to do. Okay, stop wasting your money buying chicken wings in a restaurant. You don't have to use oil, no flour, no eggs. For me, this is something healthy. Okay, less calories. Look how beautiful they look. Wow. Okay, now we're just gonna put them on a plate and just enjoy these chicken wings. You can eat them with some salsa or some dressing. I like to use ranch dressing just to put a little bit, and then at the end I like to chop some cilantro, green onions, and presto. This is wow. You can cook this so fast, save some money, eat healthy, give it a try. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna keep uploading videos. And have a great day. Enjoy these wings, and you're gonna need a lot of napkins. And you can also don't use any fork. Always grab the wings with your hands.